Hello everyone. Welcome back to this new tutorial. Here we are going to learn how to use the SUMIF function in Microsoft Excel. Let's look at the description of the function. SUMIF adds the cells specified by a given condition or criteria. Here in this example, I have date, item name and quantity sold data. The item name are repeating multiple times. The requirement here is to calculate the total quantity sold for the item selected here in this E9 cell. Total sales quantity should be updated as I change the item name. For this, use SUMIF function, press equals then type SUMIF, open a bracket, in the range parameter, select the criteria range of source data. Give a comma. In the criteria parameter, select the condition which is E9 cell here. Then give a comma. In the sum range, select the quantity sold range of source data. Then close the bracket and press enter. Result is calculated. If you change the item name here, the total sales will auto-update. So this is how we use SUMIF function. This much for this video. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing if you have not. Bye for now. See you in next tutorial.